that your portfolio includes 40 products, which includes 6 Gen AI products like Pulse Convert, Decision Pulse AI, Magic Grid, GenFlow, Pulse QA, and DAX Optimizer. Can you briefly explain the ecosystem that you're building over here right now?
We are building an integrated stack which talks about data intelligence and action. I will just give you one idea, like whatever 5-6 Gen AI products we are developing or we have developed, they completes your entire AI or data analytics ecosystem.
All right.
And I can tell you today, we will disrupt 450 billion USD data analytics product industry
Correct.
through those products. Because around data analytics products, we talk about QA, we talk about ETL, we talk about BI or accelerators, they are heavily priced,
Hanji.
not giving the expected ROI.